Okay, so we got clusters, gaps, peaks, and outliers. So hopefully in your digital notebook, you were able to define a cluster is everything is bunched together. That's a cluster. A gap, obviously things are spread apart and data values are spread apart. You got peaks are the highs, and outliers is most of the data is here, and then you got this weirdo way over there. Okay, so you need those definitions to even start this lesson. So it says, which of the following are accurate descriptions of the distribution below? So we want to scroll down and see the distribution below. Now that looks like, let's look at the first one. The distribution has an outlier. Nothing seems far away from this data set or this histogram we're looking at. The distribution has a peak at 0 to 39. No, it has a peak actually right here. Okay, so this one is none of the above. Okay, let's look at the next one. It says, which of the following is true? The distribution has an outlier. Maybe you were thinking that one, maybe you're thinking that one, but they're not that far from the data. So I wouldn't go outlier. The distribution has a peak at 22. It definitely has its highest amount at 22. So we'll go. Okay. I'll do a couple more just so you guys can feel very solid on this one. Practice again. Here's another example. Okay, the test scores for Miss Freen's class. We has a peak 12 to 13. No, it doesn't. The distribution has an outlier. Yes, it does. That is our outlier. Let me circle that so you guys can picture an outlier. That would be our outlier right there. So it does have an outlier. Okay. The distribution has a cluster from 33 to 37. No, because from 33 to 37, there's actually nothing there. Okay. Distribution has a gap from 38 to 42. No, it actually has quite a bit of data. So this one is none of the above. This one has an outlier. It has an outlier. Again, that outlier right there. Okay. So it has an outlier. And hopefully that helped.